Viewers, today's bulletin is also a powerful reminder of what our leaders and nation has done to ensure that justice is served in the Pahalgam terror attack. I now take you to this place of faith that faced fire. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today also reached Poonch's Singh Sabha Gurudwara, shelled by Pakistan on 8th of May. From offering prayers to meeting the victims, Shah's message was once again firm. India stands with its people united and will not tolerate attacks on civilians or our sacred sites and gurdwaras.
It was targeted, shelled and scarred. On May 8th, Pakistan launched a cowardly and indiscriminate attack, shelling civilian areas, religious sites and homes. This Gurdwara was among the structures hit. The sanctum was shaken.
This is a place, and how much this the shelling was, how intensified this shelling was. Sabar ji, ye
ये पड़ा हाँ ये पड़ा हम वहाँ रहते नीचे रहते हैं, हमारा घर नीचे है। बस यहाँ पड़ा गोला के यहाँ पड़ा पूरे अपनी जस्ट हो गई थी पूरे इलाके में।
And today, that very Gurdwara, once marked by destruction, welcomed the Union Home Minister with renewed hope. Amit Shah visited the site, bowed his head and saluted the spirit of people who refuse to be broken. He also visited areas worst hit by the Pakistani shelling in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch, meeting victims, hearing their stories and standing in solidarity. From shattered walls to strength, this Gurdwara now tells the story of a community that stood firm. The Union Home Minister called out Pakistan's targeted attacks on religious institutions and also spoke about how Poonch has bore the brunt of Pak shelling.
पूंछ में शायद आजादी के बाद पहली बार गोलीबारी, मगर पूंछ के साथ साथ सभी जगह पे रिहायशी इलाकों पर, गुरुद्वारों पर, मंदिरों पर, मदरसों पर गोलीबारी करने का काम पाकिस्तान ने किया।
However, the Union Home Minister also added that the Indian Armed Forces gave a befitting response to Pakistan.
और जब पाकिस्तान ने हमारे रिहायशी इलाकों पर, नागरिकों पर, निहत्थे नागरिकों पर हमला किया, तब भारतीय सेना ने इसका भी सटीक जवाब दिया और उनके 9 हवाई अड्डों को, उनकी मारक क्षमता को क्षतिग्रस्त कर एक मजबूत जवाब दिया, जिसके कारण उनको समझौते के लिए आगे आना पड़ा।
Reaffirming India's position, he said Pakistan was warned that India will not tolerate attack on civilians or religious structures.
कि भारत के नागरिकों पर, भारत के निर्दोष व्यक्तियों पर, भारत की सेना पर और भारत की सीमा पर किसी भी प्रकार का अतिक्रमण भारत सहन नहीं करेगा। किसी भी प्रकार का आक्रमण भारत सहन नहीं करेगा। इसका सटीक और इससे भी बुलंद जवाब दिया जाएगा।
During his visit, the Union Home Minister also distributed appointment letters to the kin of the deceased. He also interacted with the BSF personnel at the unit headquarters in Khanedar, while also praising their role in Operation Sindoor. Shah visited religious sites damaged in the shelling and reviewed the security situation ahead of the Amarnath Yatra. But the message from Shah is clear. If Pakistan resorts to aggression by targeting religious sites, then India will go all out and unleash its full military might.